this is Sharon coming to you from Posh Hair Studio in Kew Gardens, Queens, New York. Today I want to talk to you about do-it-yourself sensitive face cream, masks, lotions. There's all kinds of different things that we can use. But if you're like me and you really have sensitive skin, you want to minimize the amount of ingredients you use. So one oil that I absolutely love is jojoba oil. It's called an oil, but they don't necessarily classify it as one. But what you can do is simply just take a little of this oil out, and you'll see as soon as you take it out how quickly it absorbs into your skin. Why it absorbs so quickly into your skin is because it acts like the oils in your skin, which is what you want if you have sensitive skin or if you have blemishes. This is great for acne, and it's great for oily skin. Now, sweet almond oil can also be used alone, but this is going to be something you're going to use if you have really dry skin or if you have itchy skin. Now, these are also called carrier oils, and what that means is you can mix an essential oil with a carrier oil. A carrier oil is sweet almond, olive oil, or jojoba. And an essential oil is an oil that's derived or extracted from a plant. It's highly concentrated. So you want to use as little as possible. 5 to 6 drops per ounce of your carrier oil, and that's more than enough. And ladies, you want to look up the properties of an essential oil, especially if you're pregnant. You don't want to just go and use anything because I said it, I endorsed it, or because someone else says it. You want to check with your doctor first. And you also want to make sure that it's safe for your skin. All essential oils are absolutely not safe for the skin. And you want to make sure that you dilute it with a carrier oil. You can't use it directly on the skin because it's too harsh. It will literally burn. Now, another option that you can use is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is wonderful as a moisturizer, and it's even better at healing blemishes. It takes care of old acne scars. You can use it under makeup, or you can use it just as is. Honestly, you really can't get better than that. If you really do have sensitive skin, try to keep your ingredients to 1 to 2 ingredients. That way, if you have a reaction, you can really find out, okay, this was the item that caused that reaction. Once you start mixing 3 and 4 ingredients, you're not going to know what caused that specific reaction. Thanks so much for watching, and this is Sharon coming to you from Posh Hair Studio in Kew Gardens, Queens.